Okay, hello students. Last time we have already started with the solid state chemistry and उसमें हम लोग ने ये सब चीजें देखी थी classification of crystalline solids. We have seen molecular solids, ionic solids, metallic solids and covalent solids. Now we have already discussed with polar and non-polar. Polar molecules have the permanent dipole moment. Polar molecules have the permanent dipole moment which we have already studied in the 11th standard. Non-polar molecule which does not have dipole moment or which has zero dipole moment. Hydrogen bonding. What do you mean by hydrogen bonding? Hydrogen forms a bond between oxygen, nitrogen and fluorine that we have already discussed. There are two types of hydrogen bonding: intermolecular hydrogen bonding and intramolecular hydrogen bonding. What do you mean by intermolecular hydrogen bonding? Intermolecular hydrogen bonding is the bonding which forms between the two different molecules. They are called as inter. Intramolecular hydrogen bonding is the bonding between the same molecule or within the same molecule, not between, within the same molecule. That is called as intramolecular hydrogen bonding. Next, ionic solids. What do you mean by ionic solids? Ionic solids are formed by the cations or the anions. Ionic solids are hard and brittle. They can conduct electricity in the molten state or in the aqueous state. You might be aware about brittle. What is the meaning of brittle? Brittleness means which can be broken very easily. And ionic solids are bad conductors of heat and electricity in the solid state. Next, metallic solids. Metallic solids are formed by metal-metal bonds by transferring of an electron. As you might be aware that metals are electron donors. So metal पे charge क्या आएगा? Positive आएगा. So metal forms a bond with metals. Okay. Next, covalent solids. What do you mean by covalent solids? Covalent solids are the solids which are formed by sharing of electron pairs or covalent bonding. Covalent solids are bad conductors of heat and electricity. Covalent solids are the bad conductors of heat and electricity. Covalent solids are also called as giant molecules or giant solids or network solids. Covalent solids are divided into three types, that is diamond, graphite and fullerenes. Diamond, you might be aware about diamond. It is a precious element in the universe, in the whole world. Diamond, you might, and there are many types of diamond. That is a sapphire, then a ruby diamond, correct? Then a diamond. In diamond, carbon is sp3 hybridized, whereas in graphite, carbon is sp2 hybridized. Diamond is a bad conductor of heat and electricity, whereas graphite is a good conductor of heat and electricity. Exception, graphite is a good conductor. Covalent solids क्या होता है? Bad conductor होता है. तो graphite is a one of covalent solid. तो graphite bad conductor होना चाहिए था, but graphite is a good conductor of heat and electricity. What is the reason for that? Because in graphite molecule, there are van der Waals force present in that. Van der Waals force or electrostatic force of attraction present between the two layers which slides over one another, and because of that friction, electricity is generated, and therefore graphite is a good conductor of heat and electricity. Our pencil nib, it is a good conductor of heat and electricity. Okay. Next, fullerenes. Fullerenes are also one of the covalent solids, and fullerenes are called as superconductors. They are used in the trains to increase the speed. So these are about the introduction or the theoretical part of the solids. Now we jump on to the main part of this chapter, is nothing but unit cell. Now what is unit cell? Unit means one and cell means a cube or a box. What is unit cell? What is unit cell? A smallest repeating pattern of the crystalline state of crystalline system is called unit cell. Okay, this is about a unit cell. Example, this is called the unit cell, a simple unit cell. I am showing you this figure. Now let us see here. This is the model of sodium chloride, and there are many unit cells are present in this. So now let us see here, students. This is our one unit cell. This is one single unit cell. ये एक यूनिट सेल हुआ, और अगर इसको मैंने इसके अंदर फिट कर दिया तो वो क्या हो गया, उसको बोलते हैं लेटाइस. क्या बोलते हैं? लेटाइस. ओके, उसको बोलते हैं लेटाइस. व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ लेटाइस? लेटाइस मीन्स network of solids. What do you mean by lattice? Lattice means network of solids. Now as you can see this is the unit cell present here, and if I will ask you how many corners are there in this, how many corners are there in this? So how many corners are there in this? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. You can see, correct? यहां पर भी अगर आप ध्यान से देखेंगे 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So how many corners are there in this? There are total 8 corners are there. Okay, there are total 8 corners. 8 corners. Next, if I will ask you how many faces are there? How many faces are there? Faces. Corners कितने हैं? 8 corners. How many faces are there in this? How many faces are there? See. 1 2 3 4 5 6. How many faces are there? 6. कैसे? यहां देखो 1 2 3 4. ये फ्रंट वाला 5 और ये बैक वाला 6. So how many faces are there? 6. Correct है ना? 1 2 3 4 5 6. Have you understood? Okay, there are 6 faces. Next, how many edges are there? How many edges are there? How many edges are there? You might be aware about edges. अब ध्यान से देखो edges क्या होता है. This is 1 edge, this is 2, this is 3, this is 4. So ये तो 4 हो गए. 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. आई होप आपको नहीं समझा होगा. वापस यहां देखो अभी आप लोग 1 2 3 4. ऊपर के 4 5 6 7 8. नीचे के 4. अब ये 4 1 2 3 and 4. कितने हो गए? 12. Have you understood? So there are total 12 edges are present. If I will tell you how many centers are present. Center कितना है? Body center. So this is the center और सेंटर तो एक ही है, so center is 1. Have you understood, all of you? Okay. Now, what about yes, this is the corner, this is the edge, this is called edge. What about this? What about this? This is called as